Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover banned Tinder account. It will be really simple and easy. So the first thing we will need to do is head over to a browser. You can use any browser. I'm going for Google Chrome here, and in the search bar, just simply search for Tinder contact, tap on it. Once we search for this, you want to go to tap on this submit a request. So you have to tap on this drop down, click on trouble with account logging in. Now again tap on this drop down and tap on this my account was banned. And then what you want to do is you need to enter your email address, your phone number which is associated with your Tinder account. Once you have done this, you can go ahead and put something simple like this into the description. My Tinder account was banned for no reason. Could this be undone please? And then you can add file like the screenshot of your banned account or something like this, and then simply tap on this submit, and they will get back to you in 24 hours or 48 hours, and hopefully they will solve your problem. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.